In recent years, the growth in popularity of SUVs has been nothing less than a phenomenon. It's the most fiercely competitive sector of the market, and our winner has to be a great all-rounder. The Edmunds Editors Choice SUV for 2019 is the Honda CR-V.
SUVs rule supreme amongst family vehicles, but they have the daunting task of having to be spacious, convenient, and economical, and that's why the Honda CR-V sets the benchmark. Despite its modest footprint, it has plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Inside, it has more clever storage options than an Ikea catalog.
One example is the height-adjustable cargo floor in this versatile center console bin that hides both small and large objects alike. For family-minded shoppers, safety is a priority, and the CR-V has you covered with a comprehensive list of advanced safety features that are standard on all but the base model.
The turbo engine, found in most trims, packs plenty of punch, and it delivers best-in-class fuel economy. And of course, you can also get all-wheel drive. Sure, it's no sports car, but this Honda delivers a pleasant driving experience. Simply put, the Honda CR-V is the most well-rounded and thoughtfully designed SUV on the road today.
Head to Edmunds.com for a full review of the Honda CR-V and to find a great deal near you.